I always have to start off with a big smile. I just like to smile. However, I am excited because I want to show you guys what's in this cupboard. Don't watch the clay jars on top, not important. That's for some candles for a custom order for a client. But this is one of my favorite cupboards. Love this cupboard. Love this cupboard. Okay, let's see. I know. Just study that. All right, so why I love this cupboard so much is it have a lot of my active powders, gums, and ingredients in here. So I said, let me show you guys some of the stuff I use, right? Wonder if you guys can see that. Let me see, down just a little bit. Perfect. So should I start on top? Should I start below? I don't know. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna start on top. This is some beef gluten I had bought. I tried making a peel-off mask with this. You know, as a formulator, you're always experimenting with so much things. I do like it for like a jelly peel-off mask. I haven't quite settled on which of the 3 formulations I like so far, so that's still a work in progress. But it has so much other gums in here. I have some aloe vera powder. I normally have a lot of these. We have some willowback extract. This is natural form of salicylic acid. We brew a lot of this to make our clear skin lines. I have some sage. This is actually put on top some candles. So that's just some sage, small pieces of sage. Olivine. This is a emulsifying wax. It's a bit on the soapy side. It have a soapy finish to it, like you have to really rub it in if you make an emulsion with this. So I would tend to use something like this for body scrubs, because when you wet body scrubs, they get creamy anyway. So this is a good thing for that, and it's eco certified. All right. Licorice Root powder. This is organic. It's almost done. So I'll put in an order for that. We have some silk peptide. I normally use a lot of this in my anti-aging line. Silk peptide is really good. So if you don't have that in your collection, go get some. Some ginseng root extract. This is for my ginger and ginseng hair care line. Right? So all of that. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. I don't know why I'm saying that wrong, but yeah, I have some of that. I normally have 5-6 packs of that, but I started to use vitamin E ester because it's more stable. So those of you who buy our vitamin C serum, you're going to see a change in formula pretty soon. I think we still have 100 of the older formula. We're going to upgrade it to the vitamin C ester. That's going to be really good. Look out for that. Some more gum. This is another gum. And now notice the expiry date 2023, so I still have some time to use this up. I like this one. I mix this a lot with my xanthan gum soft for like body wash, or like if I'm making like overnight jelly mask. This is a nice one. Oh, I never have enough of this. Never have enough of this. Niacinamide B3. I am going to be doing a lot of serums lately. We did serums in class last year. See, another pack of the niacinamide B3. Very, very good for sensitive skin, dry skin, mature skin. It's just really good. We put that in all of our toners and our moisturizers. It's not in the front, and we probably should change out any label. It's such a key ingredient, such a nice active ingredient at the right pH. That would be like a key selling point to put there. So you see, we should really adjust that. I have some bamboo root extract. I did not like the feel of this, so I'm playing with this some more. We put this dough in our ginger and ginseng hair mask. My hair didn't like it. I have some curly girls that swear by it, but I want to play with that until it comes to something that I really like, and that more or less everybody could appreciate some more. Bamboo root extract. Pumpkin seed extract. We do this for, oh, this smells so good. We do this for a clay mask. Now it's not quite, it's not quite orange in color. It does have a bit of an orange look, but it doesn't come off like orange when you put it in product. So I know when you see those orange pumpkin masks, because they add some bit of color or micro something in there. Last on that shelf, we have some magnesium hydroxide. So this is good. We use this for like deodorant. Sometimes we also do a magnesium spray where we use the magnesium salt, but we use a bit of this as well. And we have so many different forms of magnesium. You should do a little research, figure out which one will work best for what product you want to put it in. Guar gum. Told you. This is the third gum you see me picked up. I like this gum as well. I do. This goes in our vitamin C serum as well, because I like serum more on the watery side, so it's a little thicker than, you know, because water is just a little thicker, so it just sinks in and absorb into the skin. So pick your gums carefully. All right, play with things, see what you like, see what you don't like. Some cucumber powder. This is water soluble. Some more licorice root powder. One of my favorites. We have some hyaluronic acid. This is in our night cream. The hyaluronic acid is also in all our serums and in our night cream. What I have here. Oh, I got some vitamin A Palmitate. I just put it in this bag. Oil soluble. Some more silk peptide. Some more ginseng root extract. This one is open. I'll use that up pretty soon. Some spirulina powder. Quite a bit of that. These two bad boys in the corner here, 1 and 2, they are both salicylic acid. Come on, camera, don't do me that. Salicylic acid, I use a lot of this in our clear skin line. That's the line with the black labels for acne, oily prone skin, anybody that get those breakouts or those, yeah. We also do that in a mask that I was working on, or have been working on for the last year and a half. I think I now like it. I think it's now where it needs to be. We're having that tested, so you guys will see a new mask in that line pretty soon. And that's what's in this cupboard. So I know I ran through that pretty quick. If you want me to go in depth details on why I have some of these things, you guys could just leave a comment below. But I thought I'll just, as I'm here, doing a little cleanup, thought I would have showed you guys what in this cupboard. And this is as neat as this could get. It can't get more lined off and neat than that. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You know what we always say. You know how I ended off. Let's formulate. Bye.